What's up, y'all, and welcome back to the Grim Runner. It's your boy Clef Mercado, and we back at it again with another video today. Man, today is just gonna be a quick and simple video. I'm gonna get straight to the point. I just want to have a little bit of fun. It's been a long week this week, man. It's been a long week. I'm about to do my first Burnout in my Dodge Challenger RT, and I'm also gonna teach you guys how to do an actual burnout if you have an automatic car. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified every single time I post a video, and make sure you smash that thumbs up button, man. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video, man. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so the first step to getting the proper burnout going in your automatic car is completely turning off traction control. Now, with the Dodge Challenger, to completely disable the system, what you want to do is press the start button and hold down on the traction control button at the same time as you start the car. Now, as you continue to hold that button, you'll see the traction control turns off and the entire electronic stability system is turned off. So now the system is completely disabled and you're ready for fun. Now that traction control is completely disabled, the next step is to go ahead and, if your car has it, hit the sport mode button. Now once you hit that sport mode button, you'll get that green checker flag on the Challenger. I'm not sure how it is on any other car, but this is going to give you optimum wheel performance on the actual burnout. The next step in getting a perfect burnout in your automatic car, if you have auto stick or an auto manual, make sure you go ahead and engage in auto manual, set the car to first gear. As you can see, we are in first gear and you're pretty much ready to rock and roll. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you the proper foot position, because you're going to need one foot on the actual gas pedal and you're going to need one foot on the brake. All right, so once you have the proper foot position, that's going to be 1 foot on the brake, 1 foot on the actual gas pedal. The trick to this is you'll slowly drop your foot down on the gas pedal and you'll slowly release your foot from the actual brake as you accelerate. Now, you'll kind of start to get the hang of it and get the feel of it as you go, and that's pretty much the end of it. So I'm going to go ahead and switch the camera to the outside of the car so we can see if we're doing this burnout right. What y'all think? I think we had a proper burnout on this thing, man. Look. Look, tires still smoking. I think we did it, y'all. I think we did it, man. So that's how you do a burnout in an automatic car. Now, like I said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, smash the thumbs up, hit the like button, man. I appreciate every single one of you guys for tuning into the content. Also, if you're new to the channel and you're in the Las Vegas area, next week we having our official car meet. The link to the actual RSVP will be in the description. Make sure you RSVP if you want to come out to the car meet, man. We about to have a good time, man. And that pretty much wraps it up for the video, y'all. So I'll be back next week with another one.